Hey, it's Mike, founder of Spherio. I want to talk to you about media selection to populate your Spherios. Let's take a look. We're going to use the plus sign to create a Spherio. Immediately, what opens is this gallery, which is my camera roll. If I want to select media, I long press, and then I can select any media that I want, but only one at a time. I prefer to go into my native gallery and then select from my albums in my phone. Let's pick dogs. I have an album of dogs. So we'll pick 32 cute dog pictures, generate a Spherio by hitting done. So here's all these dogs in this Spherio, cute puppies. I can double tap, swipe through, flip over. It's gonna have the date that it was created. If I wanted to make this public, I would hit the launch button. For now, I will find it inside of my Spherios, right here, created today. The pencil is not highlighted and the box is gray, which means it's just saved to this device. So if I hit the trash can and acknowledge that, it's gone. It was never in the database. It was just for me to view. So Spherio can be something that you experiment with. It doesn't have to be public, it doesn't have to be uploaded, it doesn't have to be shared. It's something to play with.